Welcome to this new session, new video where we are going to discuss the questions and answers related to piping engineering. What we are going to do, we'll have one question on screen along with few options. Then we'll take a pause of 5 seconds to understand the question correctly. Then we'll look into each and every option given against the questions and we'll come up to the right answer. So we are going to discuss each question in detail. So this is going to be very interesting session. So let's start with the questions. Which of the following statement is not true? Tube is measured by outside diameter. Pipe is measured by inside diameter. Pipe is measured by nominal, not actual inside pipe diameter. And the correct answer is B. Okay, pipe is measured by NPS, not by inside diameter. We represent it by NPS or DN. So tube is always represented by outside diameter and pipe is measured by nominal pipe inside diameter, that is not actual one. That's why we have written not actual inside pipe diameter. Which of the following statements are correct? The classification of pipes are scheduled and nominal diameter. Pipe is typically ordered using nominal pipe size. Pipe is typically by specifying a schedule number, wall thickness, or all of the above. The correct answer is D. A, B, C, three statements all are correct, as the classification of pipe by schedule and nominal size. Yes, we are doing that. We represent it by nominal diameter and we represent schedule number against each pipe wall thickness. Pipe is typically ordered using the NPS standard. Yes, that is also correct. We represent pipe not by OD or ID. We represent it by NPS, so that is the basis for ordering the pipe also. Pipe is typically by specifying a schedule number. We represent wall thickness as a schedule number against each pipe size. So all three statements are correct. The answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct regarding ASME 36.10? ASME 36.10 is standard specification for welded and seamless wrought steel pipe which are used for high or low temperature and pressure. Okay, all materials shall be covered in corresponding ASTM or ASME specifications. C is both A and B are correct. So the correct answer is C. Both these statements are correct. We are using this standard to get the dimensions for seamless welded wrought steels. Okay, for low temperature as well as high temperature, also high pressures also. So the first statement is correct. All the material shall be covered in corresponding ASTM ASME specification. Whatever material standards are there in ASTM, all will be applicable. All shall be covered in this standard. That means all the dimensions given in 36.10 are applicable to all the materials which are covered in ASTM or ASME specifications. So both these statements A and B are correct. Just wanted to bring into your notice that you can increase the speed from 1x to 2x. Go to the settings and change. Sometimes we know few of the things so that we can quickly go through the content by increasing the speed. Again, also we have few courses developed on piping engineering. 8 important elements where all the pipe flange, steam trap, monitors, everything is covered, all the elements. Then piping layout, compressor, pipe rack, pumps, exchanger, columns, everything is covered. Then codes and standard, all the codes and standard mostly commonly used in piping industry are covered. Plotman development. So all these courses are available. Links are given in the description box. There will be lifetime access certificate will also be provided, so we can learn, refresh and record the content. So let's continue with the session. Standard 106 covers only seamless carbon steel pipe for high temperature service. Is it true or false? So the correct answer is A. It is true. ASTM A106 covers only seamless carbon steel. Okay, and those steel pipes are used for high temperature service also. So these are not covering welded carbon steel. only seamless carbon steels are covered in A106. This we have to remember. This standard is applicable for seamless pipes only. ASTM A106 pipe size. The range is NPS 6 inch to 1200 inclusive or 6 inch to 600 inclusive. So which statement is correct, A or B? So the correct answer is A. This standard is covering pipe sizes ranging from 6 inch to 6 DN to 1200. Okay, so this we have to remember, 48 inch up to 48 inch this standard is covering. ASTM A106 covers seamless carbon steel pipe for high temperature service. Size range is 1/8 to 48 inch. Then nominal average wall thickness as given in 36.10, or all of the above. So the correct answer is D. A106 is a material standard, ASTM standard, which is covering the seamless carbon steel pipe only for high temperature services, and the range that is covered in this standard are 1/8 to 48 inch. Okay, all the wall thickness, average nominal size as given in 36.10. So all these standard dimensions can be are covered in 36.10. So all of the three statements are correct. The correct answer is D. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. This was all about this session. There are so many other videos available in playlists and on this channel. You can always look into this. You can always mention a topic in your comment section so that we can make videos on those topics also. I'm sure these are all very informative and adding value to your knowledge. So keep watching. Stay tuned.